going to buy some fireworks.
Are we?
You don't. Okay. 9 million.
Boys with their toys. Smile, 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 smile.
Look at these ones. 65 baht. Fireworks. What'd you get? What are they? Find out.
This is so cool.
Okay, we've got a big supply of fireworks here from the box. These are two-step. They're called Starlight, Starbright. The star I see tonight.
Let's go light
Just
them.
light the fuse at the back there.
Go, Chris.
Run! Oh! Oh, that is so cool! Oh, that is so cool! Wow! Oh, I love those ones.
Okay.
It's burning my finger. Ow!
There.
There we go.
Watch out, guys. That's big. Get down.
Oh! Video.
Out of the sand over. Oh, Charlotte's having a crack.
Oh.
Before you let it going up, you can make a wish. Yeah. So people believe if you have bad things in the future, yeah, this one you make wishing and this lantern will take it away. So you will be good luck and good future. Yeah.
We're going to show you how to do this. We've got a few to light up ourselves. So. Oh, cool. So this will be fun.
Okay.
So you need to hang on. A few of us hang on to the lantern.
Are they ready to go?
No,
not yet.
Not yet.
I like that.
Ready to go?
Yeah.
Maybe?
No.
No?
Yep.
Okay, just let it go a little bit. Okay.
Okay. Woo! Okay, we're on a mission to find a lighter to set off these smoke bombs.
Dad, get the recorder so I can use my camera.
Okay. Ah,
That is.
it's blue. Run, Charlotte, run.
Run!
Okay, do you want me to light the others?
Yeah, yes. And get some cool photos. Make sure, there it is.
That matches his skirt.
Okay, and then it'll shoot up. Well, high smoke. Smoke's gonna start coming up.
ท่านได้สนุกไปพร้อมๆกับพวกเราด้วยนะคะได้ไหมเอ่ยน้องแหม่มว่าไง
Ready, Caleb? Wait, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Woo! Pretty cool.
There it is, there it goes. Oh no! It's gonna hit the tree! Oh no! How's this hit the tree? It's on fire! Crazy.
That was so epic.
That was crazy. And there's still fireworks going on.